what beginners should focus on while doing heavy bag work. So focus on like your striking and your stance, your footwork, and changing the angle each time you throw a punch. So I'm on here, I'm at the bag. I go a 1-2, I change the angle. I go 1-1-2, I change the angle. Because if you're fighting someone, you're gonna go 1-2, you're gonna fucking throw punches back at your face. So it's important that after you throw the combination, boom, boom, you step out, have that hands up so that way when they swing, like you're out of the way. You see? So, this example. Like that. Also, you consider on the bag, your stance. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Try this.